Imagine waking up every morning knowing you've earned money in your sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But in 2025, it doesn't have to be. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. And in this video, I'm sharing 7 powerful ideas you can start this year to make $1,000 a month or more in passive income. Ready to stop trading time for money? Let's dive in. First up, dividend-paying stocks. By investing in companies that share a portion of their profits with shareholders, you can create a steady income stream. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a stock with a 5% annual dividend yield, you'll earn $500 a year completely passively. And if you reinvest those dividends, your income will grow even faster thanks to compound interest. Rental properties are a classic way to build passive income. By owning and renting out real estate, you can earn monthly rental payments while building equity. If managing properties sounds like too much work, consider hiring a property manager to handle the day-to-day tasks. Alternatively, platforms like Airbnb make short-term rentals more accessible than ever. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates are a fantastic way to generate passive income. Create the product once and sell it over and over without additional effort. For instance, if you're skilled at graphic design, you can sell templates on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Or if you have expertise in a specific field, create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income. Promote products or services you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media. The key is to provide genuine value and only recommend products you truly believe in. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to earn passive income by lending money directly to borrowers through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. You earn interest on your loans, and while there's some risk, diversifying your investments across multiple borrowers can help minimize it. If you're creative, consider earning royalties from your work. For example, photographers can upload stock images to platforms like Shutterstock, while musicians can license their tracks on sites like Epidemic Sound. Once uploaded, your work generates income every time it's purchased or used, creating a consistent passive revenue stream. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a way to invest in real estate without actually owning property. REITs are companies that own income-producing real estate, and they're required to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. This means regular dividend payments for you. It's a great option if you want exposure to real estate but prefer a hands-off approach. My bonus tip: automation and scaling. No matter which idea you choose, use tools and platforms to automate as much of the process as possible. For example, use scheduling tools for affiliate content or automated investment platforms like Wealthfront. The more you can automate, the easier it will be to scale your passive income streams and hit that $1,000 a month target. Thanks so much for watching. These 7 passive income ideas can be a game changer if you take action and stay consistent. Remember, building wealth takes time, but the sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It helps more people discover this content. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip to grow your income and achieve financial freedom.